Hey, Al Curtis, Ask the Pool Guy here. I had a question recently. Someone was asking why in a salt pool does corrosion happen? And my question back to them was, do you have what's called a sacrificial anode, which is a zinc anode? And they said, well, what's that? And so I thought this would be a good thing to explain what happens in a salt pool. Water, pure water with nothing in it, cannot transmit electricity. Water with something dissolved in it, the salt, allows electricity to pass through the water. Well, the ground around the swimming pool is full of trace amounts of voltages of electricity that are leaking out of the underground wiring, all kinds of different things. Well, with the salt pool, it allows those trace amount of electricity, those millivoltages, to travel through the water. And when they do, electrolysis happens and it damages equipment, anything metal in the pool. It might even scale the pool. It'll take calcium out of solution. Well, there's a very simple solution to this, and it's called a sacrificial anode. What that is, basically, is a puck. It could be in a lot of different forms, but typically it's a puck of zinc. And that, placed in the skimmer, becomes the weakest point of the pool, and the electricity will attack that which is weak. Now, we're not talking about enough electricity to cause you physical damage, but it's a trace amount of electricity that over time will damage equipment. If you put a sacrificial anode in there, the electricity is attracted to that, and effectively it eats up the zinc but doesn't damage the swimming pool. So anyone with a salt system pool right now, you have to have some type of a zinc anode in there, something to take that trace voltages, because it's there. No matter what you do, no matter how much you protect or bond the pool or ground the pool, that is there. There's something that it's part of who and what we are, those micro voltages. I've had this happen indoors where you think it's all protected, and it was low voltages coming from speaker wires that were getting in the pool, and what happened was it literally coated the pool with a white powder that we had to virtually scrub off. It was all the calcium was pulled out of solution. So easy solution. We didn't know it at the time. They were new. This was years and years ago. We didn't know what to do. Now throw a chunk of zinc in your skimmer and you're done.